As you work on your portfolio, I recommend, in addition to having 3D models, that you also have some drawings, of your 3D model, uh, the various parts of your model, and some subassembly drawings, some individual parts with dimension annotations, and you've got some sheet metal parts, so it'd be good to have some flat patterns of some of your components as well, if they are intended to be manufactured from sheet metal. So don't ignore the the drawings. It's all part of a package in your portfolio.